I want to take a couple minutes to show you a little trick I use in my Bobcat skid loader. I'm switching out for my summer tires. These are 12 inches wide and smooth, so I can do some lawn work. I have 10 inches on it right now. But as you can see, I put a couple of 6x6s underneath the back end. And by doing so, I was able to lift this back tire off. You can see it moves, it's off, by going after the bucket and putting the bucket at a slight angle. This gives me all 4 tires off the ground, so I can rotate my tires or do other work where you need all 4 off the ground. Now you do have somewhat of a limited amount of time in case your hydraulics leak just a little bit, but it's usually more than enough time to be able to replace the 4 tires. So there it is. Just put 2 6x6s under the back. I strongly suggest to use long ones so it doesn't rock back and forth. Get it on the level, and then use your bucket to lift all 4 tires off the ground. There it is.